Hello my dear children, welcome to Brain Root Environmental Studies class 5th, chapter number 7, Super Senses. So let's see what's in the chapter. Get set go. Animals have more powerful sense organs than human beings. In this chapter we will read how animals have great vision, touch, smell, taste and hearing. So in this chapter we are going to study about super senses and animal sleep. Super senses. Animals have sense organs but they use them differently. Children, आपको पता है आपकी बॉडी में कितने सेंस ऑर्गन्स हैं? Yes, we have 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स. कौन कौन से हैं? Eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. तो यही सेंस ऑर्गन्स होते हैं जो एनिमल्स में भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं and which help them to see, hear, touch, smell and feel the things. They use their senses to look for food or for protection. Some animals use their sense of smell, others use their keen vision and some of them uses the sense of hearing. तो कुछ animals ऐसे होते हैं बच्चों, they rely mostly on their senses of hearing, of their vision. कैसे वो देखते हैं, किस हिसाब से वो छुप के वार करते हैं, सुनते हैं धीरे धीरे वाली साउंड्स ताकि वो अपने प्रे को कैच कर सके. इन मेनी वेज दीज सेंसेस आर मच मोर हाईली डेवलप्ड एज कम्पेयर टू आवर्स. तो उनके अंदर जो सेंसेस होती हैं वो ज्यादा डेवलप्ड होती हैं हमारे से भी. Sense of vision. The eyes of crocodiles are placed on the top of their head to able to search for their prey above water. तो जो क्रोकोडाइल्स अगर आपने देखा होगा तो उनकी जो आंखें हैं उनके हेड के ऊपर प्रेजेंट होती हैं ताकि वो पानी के अराउंड या पानी के ऊपर अपने प्रे को देख सके. Members of cat families like tigers, cats, leopards can see very well in dark. तो उनकी आईज इतनी अच्छी डेवलप होती हैं कि वो अंधेरे में भी देख सकते हैं. Owls, अगर आप owls की बात करो तो they can rotate their eyes around 180 डिग्री पे वो रोटेट कर सकते हैं जिससे कि उनको वो क्लियरली देख सके कि उनका प्रे कहाँ है और कहाँ उनकी एनिमीज लोकेटेड है. Owls have large forward looking eyes that help them to see things in dim light or darkness. You all know that owl is a nocturnal creature. तो वो रात को देख सके इसलिए उसकी आईज इतनी अच्छी तरह से डेवलप्ड होती हैं. Ants and flies have compound eyes. Children, अगर हम हाउस फ्लाई की बात करें या हम चींटियों की बात करें तो उनकी जो आंखें होती है it is not a simple eye. It is made up of many eyes together. इसीलिए इसको बोला जाता है compound eye. Made up of thousands of lenses. This helps them to get complete picture of what they see. बर्ड्स ऑफ प्रे जैसे कि वल्चर्स हैं, ईगल्स हैं, हॉक्स हैं, तो इनके पास भी शार्प सेंस ऑफ विजन होता है. ये अपने प्रे को बहुत छोटी छोटी जगह से ऊपर से ऊंचाई से ही देख लेती हैं और इजीली उनको कैच कर लेती हैं. It helps them to see the smallest prey from a very long distance. Some fishes have eyes on either side of their head. They help the fish to get a good view of their surrounding and locate their prey. सेंस ऑफ टच. तो कुछ ऑर्गेनिजम्स में बच्चों सेंस ऑफ टच जो है ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव होता है. एनिमल्स दैट आर एक्टिव एट नाइट टेंड टू हैव अ पर्टिकुलरली वेल डेवलप्ड सेंस ऑफ टच टू हेल्प देम कम्युनिकेट एंड फाइंड फूड. अ कैट विस्कर्स एक्ट एज अ सेंसिटिव फीलर्स. तो इनसे वो फील करके पता लगा सकती हैं कि कहाँ पे उनका प्रे लोकेटेड है. Their special hairs stick out from the cat's cheek and chin and form from above its eyes. A cat tend to be more active at night. Whiskers help it to feel its way around the dark. तो रात को आपने देखा होगा बिल्लियाँ जो हैं ये ज़्यादा एक्टिव रात को ही होती हैं. Fishes have lateral line system consisting of sense organs in canal along their head and trunk. तो यहाँ पर फिशेस के पास भी एक लाइन सी होती है जिसको हम बोलते हैं लेटरल लाइन सिस्टम. ये रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं बच्चों जो कि उनको हेल्प करते हैं टू फाइंड एनी चेंज इन वाटर एंड thus help in movement and locating prey. Butterflies have hair on their wings. तो butterflies को भी अगर आप देखो तो उनके wings पे छोटे छोटे से बाल होते हैं which act as receptors to any of the changes in the air. A bat can detect warmth of animal from about 16 centimeter using its nose leaf. सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. तो आपने देखा होगा बच्चों जो डॉग्स होते हैं उनमें सेंस ऑफ स्मेल कितनी तेज होती है, इसीलिए उन्हें आजकल पुलिस वाले भी यूज करते हैं टू लोकेट द कल्प्रिट. A strong sense of smell helps dog to locate food and other things. That is why dogs are often seen sneezing at things. It is because of this ability that they are used to detect bombs and other things by police for rescue operations. And smells with the help of their thin long antenna. आपने देखा होगा जो ants होती हैं, butterflies होती हैं, they have antenna on their body. Cockroaches अगर आपने देखे हैं तो they have antenna, long antennas present होते हैं जो कि help करते हैं उनको locate करने में food कहाँ है और direction भी उनको बताते हैं. Whenever an ant finds food, it leaves a chemical trail along the ground which other ants follow to reach the food. Snakes, lizards smell with the help of their tongue. They keep flickering their tongues to send scent particles to the pair of sense organs located at the roof of their mouth. तो आपने देखा होगा स्नेक को हिस करते हुए अपनी टंग को बाहर निकालते हुए, तो इसके थ्रू वो क्या करते हैं? They are able to locate their prey. Mosquitoes smell human color with their sharp smell with their nostril and help find their prey in water. Scavengers like vultures and hyenas use their sense of smell to locate dead animals for their food. Now have a look on Factopedia, children. Frog push down food with their eyeballs and drink water through their skin. Now pair and share. Answer the following question. Name the animal who can see very well in dark. तो कौन सा एनिमल है? दे कैन बी टाइगर्स, और बर्ड्स की बात करें तो इट कैन बी आउल. What helps dogs to locate food and other things? Their sense of smell. Sense of taste. Houseflies, bees, butterflies have taste receptors. बच्चों इनकी बॉडी में taste receptors present होते हैं on their feet. Before laying eggs on plant, a butterfly walks on the leaf to make sure that they are edible for its young ones. तो इनके पैरों पे इनके receptors located होते हैं जो कि help करते हैं इनको ये पता लगाने में कि खाना कैसा है, उसका टेस्ट कैसा है. In earthworms, entire body is covered with taste receptors. Dolphins have no sense of smell, but they can taste their food. Sense of hearing. Animals that hunt by the sound have remarkable hearing. They listen for faint rustling of the moving prey. तो अगर हम बात करें बच्चों बैट्स की, तो बैट्स की जो सेंस ऑफ विजन होता है वो बहुत पुअर होता है. एंड दे आर नॉक्टर्नल एनिमल्स, मतलब वो रात को अपना शिकार करते हैं. तो उनकी जो सेंस ऑफ हियरिंग है बच्चों ये बहुत शार्प होती है. ये उनको हेल्प करती है टू गेट लोकेशन ऑफ देयर प्रे. Bats have a good hearing of all land mammals. They often have huge ears compared to the rest of the body. A bat sleeps throughout the day in sheltered spots and wakes up at night क्योंकि वो एक nocturnal creature है. It makes high-pitched squeaks called ultrasound using its mouth or nose. If these sound waves meet an object, they create an echo that bounces back to the bat. The bat can use these echoes to work out where, what or how far the object is. तो इन्हीं साउंड्स के थ्रू ये जो अल्ट्रासाउंड्स वो निकालते हैं ये वापस जब उनको स्ट्राइक करती है तो उसको उनको पता चल जाता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट कितना बड़ा है, कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है, उसकी लोकेशन क्या है. These echoes help the bat to locate their food. This special sound technique is called as echolocation. Hunting animals like tigers, leopards, cat also had excellent hearing power. ये भी जब ये घास में छुपे होते हैं, बड़ी बड़ी घासों में छुपे होते हैं तो थोड़ी सी भी आहट कहीं से होती है तो they are able to know कि वहाँ पे उनका prey located है. In insects, hearing organs are present as tiny membranes to hear distant sounds. They are not confined to the head but can occur in different locations depending on the group of organism. Spiders and cockroaches have hair on their legs which are used for detecting sound. Crabs have hair on claws and other parts of body to detect water current and vibrations. Crickets क्या होते हैं बच्चों? They are the type of insects which can hear using their legs. Sound waves vibrate a thin membranes on the cricket's front leg. Grasshoppers have hair all over their body to detect air movement. तो इनकी बॉडी पे, पूरी बॉडी पे ही बाल लोकेटेड होते हैं ताकि ये एयर के मूवमेंट को पहचान सकें. Here is an interesting fact. Snakes do not have external ears. They have a hearing bone in their jaw to sense even a small vibration in the ground. सांप के बच्चों कान नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी इनकी एक हियरिंग बोन होती है जो इनके जॉज में लोकेटेड होती है और इनको हेल्प करती है टू गेट इवन अ स्मॉल वाइब्रेशन इन द अर्थ. That is why they rest their jaws on the ground as they move. Animal sleeps. Like us, animals also need rest and sleep, but they sleep in different ways. Dogs sleep with their eyes closed. Cows also sleep with their eyes closed. तो dog जो है, cow है, ये अपनी आंखें बंद करते हैं जब ये सोते हैं. Bats जो है बच्चों, ये उल्टे लटकते हैं पेड़ से जब ये सोते हैं. Horses sleep while standing and dolphins sleep with one eye open. Migratory birds sleep while flying. Fishes and snakes sleep with their eyes open as they do not have eyelids. Factopedia: a koala bear spends 18 to 22 hours a day sleeping and rest of the time feeding on bamboo leaves. Keywords: compound, something that consists of two or more things combined together. Receptor: a nerve ending that reacts to a change. Prey: animal that is caught and killed by another animal for its food. Points to ponder: animals use their sense organs differentially. Some senses are more developed than the others in some animals. Ants and flies have compound eyes made up of thousands of lenses. Snakes and lizards smell with the help of their tongue. Migratory birds sleep while flying. Now have a look on question answers. Tick the correct option. Birds of prey like dash have a sharp vision. Birds of prey कौन होती हैं? Vultures. Dash have hair on their wings. Butterflies. Dash smell human color with their sharp smell. यहाँ पे बच्चों ये sharp आएगा. So it is mosquitoes. Dash push down their food with their eyeballs. So it is frog. Fill in the blanks. Dash have sense organs but they use them differentially. Animals. And smell with the help of their long antennas. Dash and dash have compound eyes made up of thousands of lenses. So it can be housefly, butterfly, or ants. See the fourth one, children. Dash have the best hearing of all land mammals. It is bats. A dash act as a sensitive feeler. So it is the hares. Write true or false. Fishes have eyes on either side of their head. This is true. The hair on the butterfly wing help them to find food. It helps them to find any movement in air pressure. So this is false. Migratory birds sleep while flying. This is true. Grasshoppers have hair all over their body to detect air movement. This is true. Animals also need sleep and rest. Again, this is true. With this, we have come to the end of this chapter. Hope you have understood this chapter nicely, children. Stay tuned for the new video. Till then, goodbye.